In this video, I will show you how to do the peer review project submission and how the grading works. So first off, there are three components to this project that you must complete. First, submit your peer review project, grade your peers' project, and grade your own. So in this video, I'll be showing you the active recruiting flyer submission process, but this will be identical for the inclusive pedagogy script. First off, we're going to scroll down here to the Your Response tab and then select the flyer that you would like to submit. So choose Files, and then here's my sample, choose. Alright, and then we're going to describe the flyer, so something that your peers will see. Description, sample, and then you're going to hit Upload Files. Okay. And then in the Your Response tab, you're going to want to let your peers know what kind of flyer you've made. So for email attachment or hard copy or both. So I'm just going to put email attachment, and then we're going to hit Submit Your Response and move to the next step. So once you're here, you can see your peers' submissions in the associated file section here. So when there's a file that's ready to be peer graded, it's going to be located in this spot. There's none right now, but that's where it will be. And so once you open that, you'll be able to see the peers flyer for you to review. So look over that, and then once you're ready, we're going to scroll down to the grading criteria. So you're going to want to select a grading criteria for each of these categories. So these are all just sample grades, but you're going to pick which one you think fits best for the poster that you reviewed. And then you're also going to need to write a comment as to why you thought that that flyer deserved the grade that you gave it. Just make sure that you comment here for your peers to see. So I'm going to just do all of these and make sure that you are selecting a grade for each section and also commenting for each section. Okay, so then you can write an optional response to them about the overall flyer that you submitted if you would like. And then once you're ready, you're going to submit your assignment and move to the next step. So here you're going to be grading your own response. So the file that you uploaded will be located here. You need to open it up again and review that. And then you're going to just do the same thing for yourself. I'm not doing it here, but also make sure that you're giving yourself a comment for each grading criteria as you did for your peers flyer. And then you're going to submit your assessment when you're ready. So once you hit that submit button, then you'll be good to go. But in this section, the Your Grade section, you'll find your final grade. But because I just submitted, I need to wait for my peers to grade my flyer. So you probably won't see your grade right away either, because you will also be waiting for peers to grade your flyer. So also just a couple things to note, that the due date for the flyer submission is due by the end of the 4th week of the course, to ensure that your peers will have enough time to grade your flyer in the last week of the course. And then just a reminder to make sure that you're giving a grade and a comment for each criteria. And as always, if you have any questions or need any further help with your peer review projects or anything else, please reach out to us and we would be happy to help.